lovers! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into 5 ways to lose weight with cakes. Yes, you heard that right. Cake and weight loss can go hand in hand. Let's get started. Way 5. Lighter frostings. Let's talk about lighter frostings. Opt for whipped Greek yogurt, cream cheese, or coconut cream instead of traditional buttercream. These alternatives still provide creamy texture and flavor without the excess calories. Way 4. Incorporate protein. Our 4th strategy involves incorporating protein. Use protein-rich ingredients like Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or protein powder to boost the protein content of your cake. Protein helps keep you full and supports muscle recovery. Way 3. Sugar alternatives. Next up, we have sugar alternatives. Replace refined sugar with natural sweeteners like honey, maple syrup, or dates. These alternatives add sweetness while also providing additional nutrients. Way 2. Portion control. The second strategy is all about portion control. Bake mini cakes or cupcakes instead of a large cake. This helps control your portions and prevents overindulgence. Enjoy a perfectly sized treat without the risk of consuming excessive calories. Way 1. Nutrient-rich ingredients. Our first way to enjoy cake without derailing your efforts is by using nutrient-rich ingredients. Swap refined flour with whole wheat flour or almond flour for added fiber and nutrients. Incorporate ingredients like Greek yogurt, mashed bananas, and unsweetened applesauce for moisture and natural sweetness. Ready to shed those extra pounds? Click the link in the video description to buy this product and access your path to a healthier, fitter you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more healthy living tips and recipes.